Creating a team performance diagnostic session. Before creating a team diagnostic session, please contact your Prism distributor if you are unsure of the process. This ensures you and your candidates get the best out of the experience. Any team diagnostic sessions that were created prior to the launch of the new portal have been transferred and you can find them in Sessions. Sessions can be accessed from the main menu on the left-hand side. To create a new team diagnostic session, click Sessions on the main menu and you will see at the top of the Sessions page a blue button New Session. The pop-up shows what outputs are now grouped under the title of Sessions. We are creating a team diagnostic session for which the charge is 100 credits. To start, click Create New. Complete the account, company name and session name details. Make sure your session name is unique and identifiable, because if you want to review or return to a team diagnostic session later, having a unique and identifiable name makes it so much easier to find the correct session. The Locked button shows you that the session has not been locked, which allows you to edit any supplementary questions. A session becomes locked when you send the first questionnaire out. This means that after this locking point, a team diagnostic session's questions cannot be changed, as someone may already have answered them. Click Save Session. The page now displays 4 tabs: Session Detail, Questions, Candidates and Output. Session detail can be edited as the session is not locked. You can edit the company and/or session name, and you also have the option to archive the session. Archiving will remove the session from your listing. However, on the session list you can tick Include Archive Sessions and they will appear highlighted in red. You can navigate to the tabs either by clicking on the tab or by clicking Next. The next tab is Questions. At the end of the team diagnostic questionnaire, team leaders and internal team respondents will have the opportunity to comment anonymously on 4 preset questions as shown. Alternatively, you have the option to create a maximum of 6 of your own supplementary questions. If you choose to use the preset questions, you can move on to the next tab. However, if you would like to create your own questions, then click Change to Custom Questions. Click New Questions and complete the pop-up. If you want to change the order of your questions, you can do this once you have entered all your questions by just clicking and dragging the question row. Moving on to candidates. This is where you will send out the team diagnostic questionnaire to your chosen candidates. You can either enter your candidates manually or use the Import from File. This function operates in the same way as the normal Send a Questionnaire function, with one important difference. You have to decide which group each candidate will be allocated to: internal, external or team leader. Team leader is the team leader or leaders of the team. Internal is members of the team, and external are people who use the services of the team or interact with the team. You have a maximum of 50 candidates. You do not have to use all 3 groups, as you may find the external group is not appropriate. Remember, once you send out your first questionnaire, the team diagnostic session will lock and you will not be able to edit the questions. You can track which candidates have completed the questionnaire by going to the Session Detail tab. You can also delete candidates from the session, for example individuals who may have moved to another team. So finally we move on to the Output tab, which is where you will generate the team diagnostic report. When you click Generate Report, a table appears. You can download this table as an Excel document or PDF or copy the contents. This table shows the candidates who have completed the questionnaire, and you will notice the candidates are not named and therefore their responses are anonymous. This is an important feature of the team diagnostic and allows for candidates to be frank and open when answering the questionnaire. You can see which group each candidate was assigned to and the numerical score that shows how they feel the team as a whole responds to 12 key result areas of performance. 6 of the key result areas relate to the achievement of the team's goals or objectives, and 6 to team internal and external relationships. You have the option to exclude any participants' responses from the report. Why would you do this? The candidate perhaps no longer works in the team, or perhaps the data for one candidate is very extreme due to misunderstanding the questions or a high level of discontent due to a recent incident. To see the complete report, click Generate Report. Our video, Understanding the Team Performance Diagnostic Report, can be found in the video tutorials section in Resources in your Prism portal. If you have any questions about the Team Performance Diagnostic, then please do not hesitate to contact your Prism distributor before creating a team diagnostic session.